There are huge changes coming to Pickering, Ontario. What's up, everyone? My name is Tristan Clunas, and welcome back to the channel. If you learn anything new today, all I ask is that you hit the like and subscribe button. You can also book a call directly with me in the first link in the description. Okay, so guys, another iconic shopping center is about to undergo a massive transformation in Pickering, one that can redefine Pickering's skyline with 14 new towers as tall as 35 stories. The Brookdale Center, known for its sprawling parking lots and big box stores like Home Depot and Food Basics and Michael's, is set to be replaced by a state-of-the-art mixed-use residential community. Developers, Tribute Communities, and Bentall Green Oak are leading the charge with plans for a futuristic mixed-use community designed by, I think it's Turner Fleischer Architects or Turner Fleischer? Let's just say Turner F Architects. I'm struggling, guys. Just bear with me. Imagine a skyline dominated by not one, not two, but 14 condo towers ranging from 17 to 35 stories tall. This ambitious project will completely transform Pickering's landscape. The project will be completed in 4 phases, bringing over 5,000 residential units to the area. But of course, it's not just housing. This new community will feature vibrant street-level retail, commercial spaces, and even a daycare facility for residents. And with over 6,000 square meters of privately owned public space and dedicated parkland, there will be plenty of room for residents to enjoy outdoors. Keep in mind, guys, Pickering isn't alone in this transformation. Similar plans are underway for strip malls across the Greater Toronto Area, from Brampton all the way to Scarborough. It's all part of a broader trend, what some are calling the mall-pocalypse, where major shopping centers like Scarborough Town Centre, Yorkdale, and Sherwood Gardens are all in the midst of massive renovations. So what do you guys think about this massive initiative? Are you for it or are you against it? Now, I know some of the residents are going to be coming out in droves that are against the fact that you're getting rid of a Home Depot, your local Home Depot, in order to put up multiple 14 new condo towers. But to be honest, my opinion, we need the density. We need a lot more housing. We don't have enough right now, and Pickering is kind of behind the mark in terms of municipalities being so close to Toronto, but not having the high density. Look at Mississauga, look at Markham. There's other areas that are so close to Toronto that have the higher density, and Pickering, we are so behind. So, I mean, it's still affordable. Pickering is still considered one of the more affordable municipalities in the Greater Toronto Area, Durham as a whole. But yes, it does need more density. We need more homes. There's a lot more people coming into the country. There's a lot of people that are finding homes in Pickering and in Durham because Toronto's so expensive and all the other areas are so expensive. So we do need the density, but is it worth getting rid of your Home Depot? And maybe the residents feel, maybe they're probably against it, to be honest with you. A lot of residents are not going to be happy because they're used to how Pickering used to be, but it's changing. I'm hearing that there's about more than 75 towers that have been proposed in the works coming down the pipeline for Pickering. So clearly the developers are thinking that we need all of this density, but I'm curious to know what you guys think. What are your thoughts? Let me know down below in the comments below, please. Clueless, ask Clueless. Have a great day.